First, we have True Blue Zada, written by Crystal Wood, who is our trainer at Grey Goose Farm. We have True Blue Zada is out of True Blue Brittini. Brittini was the best producing mare ever bred by True Blue Arabians. She's also the dam of True Blue Gold Mine, and a great horse that is owned and exhibited by Crystal Wood. Zada's barn name is Sweetie. Now this seems kind of strange for a stallion, but he was given a name by their son Will. So Will, would you like to wave your hand? There's Will. So he named Sweetie. And the name is stuck because he is such a sweetie for a stallion. Believe me, he's really gentle. He's got a great disposition, a lot of personality, and these traits are at the top of our list for breeding good, enjoyable Arabians with good heads on their shoulders. His first 7 years were spent like so many Arabians as a pet and a field horse. And that really counts a lot because that is what makes them so gentle. Then they decided to put him to work after about 7 years. True Blue Arabians bred him, but Crystal Wood and Grey Goose Farm deserve all the credit for him being here today. He's a beautiful stallion. True Blue Zada is 74.65 crabbed and looks a lot like his grandsire, Gay Parada. We are very proud of his accomplishments and we love him. Thank you so much to Crystal Wood, Grey Goose Farm, and all the girls who have been so wonderful with Sweetie. True Blue Zada with a Legion of Honor presentation. Big hand, everybody. Okay, the next horse.
Wait.
Oh, let's do a picture. Good idea. I know this is so exciting. These horses work so hard. So if anybody else has a camera and want to get a picture, now's the chance. Holly, are you going to be our official photographer then today?
What happened to Jade? Climb under and go, and get close and go.
So if we want family members in this picture, and hold the plaque. Do you have your plaque?
I don't think gives me the dirty look. I swear I do. Keep them in my head all the time.
Yeah, you can.